In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate your domain with Mailchimp. Domain authentication is a crucial step to ensure that your emails reach your subscribers' inboxes and don't get caught up in spam filters. It's a way to tell the email world that Mailchimp is allowed to send emails on behalf of your domain. Let's walk through the process, step by step, to make sure you can do it smoothly. After you've successfully logged into your Mailchimp account, draw your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you should see your account name or an avatar that represents your profile. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu from which you'll want to find and select the option labeled Account and Billing. It's in this area where we'll begin working on the domain authentication process. Now, within the Account and Billing menu, you'll need to look for a tab or section marked as Domains. This area is dedicated to everything related to managing and authenticating your domains with Mailchimp. Once you locate it, click on the Domains tab to move forward in the process. In the Domains section, you'll see an option prompting you to add and verify domain. This is the button you'll need to click to initiate the process of adding your domain into Mailchimp's system. It's a fundamental step because this tells Mailchimp exactly which domain you wish to authenticate for your email campaigns. Following this, Mailchimp will request an email address linked with the domain you plan to verify. Make sure to type in this email carefully in the designated field. Ideally, this email address should be something official or directly tied to the domain you're authenticating, like contact@example.com or info@example.com. This step helps confirm the authenticity and ownership of the domain in question. After you've entered the email address associated with your domain, the final part of this setup stage is to click on Send Verification Email. Once you do this, Mailchimp will dispatch an email to the address you provided. This email will contain a verification link or further instructions to help you complete the authentication process. Head over to your inbox to look for this email. If it doesn't appear immediately, check your spam or junk folders just in case. Once you locate the email, make sure to follow the instructions or click the provided link to finalize the authentication of your domain with Mailchimp. Verifying your domain is an effective way to boost your email deliverability and credibility. It's like attaching a virtual ID badge to your emails that says, "Yes, I am who I say I am," and "Yes, this email can be trusted." Remember, domain authentication with Mailchimp isn't just a one-time task. It's wise to regularly check your domain status within Mailchimp and renew or re-verify this authentication as needed, particularly if you make significant changes to your domain or email services. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to authenticate your domain with Mailchimp. This process, while perhaps a bit technical, is straightforward when you follow the steps we've outlined today. By authenticating your domain, you're taking a significant step forward in ensuring your emails reach your audience effectively. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy emailing, and see you in the next video.